Students, this is the video where I'm going to show you guys how to play a song in P5JS. So please watch the Dan Schiffman videos too. He's completely and utterly amazing. I love watching him. But this is even basicer than his first basic video. So here I have a Week4sound folder with a and it's just I've copied the same index and Sketch. This actually I probably have a little bit of code in here. Here's my assets folder, just like the other two videos we had inside here. We had images in one of the assets folders earlier in week 4 images, and then we had font files in the assets folder in the week 4 fonts, and now I've got an MP3 here, and there's probably other formats that you can put inside here, but this one I have here, I've downloaded the Star Wars Cantina song, that MP3, and I've stuck it in here. So the loading of this kind of follows the same basic format. Here's the code for it. So I've got a variable, like what I call a nickname, again, song1. I wrote song. I used to have just song. Now I've got song 1 to kind of show you that you could have song 1, song 2, song 3. You can name whatever you want. So now we're using a preload function. Preload function, as I'd said earlier in the semester, runs before the setup, and it's only for loading stuff. So you can do load font, load sound, load image in here. So, and this will happen, this will load before the setup even occurs. So if you watch the Dan Schiffman video, he talks about another method of doing this, because really if you've got a lot of stuff that you're loading here, you're going to see a little loading screen, loading. And maybe you want to have animations and other stuff going on while things are loading. So there's another way besides using the preload function. But right now we're going to use the preload function. I've got my nickname of song 1. I've got load sound because we had load image, load font. The command for loading sound is, go figure, load sound. Same thing here. I've got, this is inside my assets folder here, and I've copied the name. You have to spell it exactly the way it's spelled, same capitalizations. So, you know, you might want to just change this song to be just called Star Wars, right? And then over here, you've got to rename it Star Wars. Let's make sure I can do that. Star Wars. Exactly. Don't put any spaces in these, okay? Don't ever put spaces in a file name anymore for the rest of your life. Well, or at least while you're in this class. All right, so that's load sound. Here I've got the standard create canvas command. Ooh, this one's 720 by 200 because I think I copied it originally from the P5JS sound example. I've got a red background here, and this song 1. So this is the nickname of where we loaded the song in, right? Dot play is how I will play it, and you guys can see this play hits just once in the setup. And I've got nothing going on in the draw. So let's see what this looks like. So guess whether or not I can open in browser. And I'm not even going to try to open it in browser. It won't work. So I'm going to have to run an Atom Live server in order to get this working. So I've always got it running already when I start these videos. But so Atom Live server, start server. And let's see. I called this. Like I can just fill the path in here if I want, but it's easier for me to click on it. Week4sound. See that loading? It's loading. Okay. Ooh, maybe I've got a problem too. Ooh, this is exciting. I'll get to debug this for you guys. So let's see. What error do I have? Cantina song MP3. It looks like I changed the name, but I didn't change it everywhere, right? Let's see where I didn't change it. Sketch.js, Star Wars. Ooh. Assets. Maybe it didn't completely change everywhere. No. Star Wars .3. Look at. Huh. Week4sound. Huh. That's interesting. Did this actually change in here? That's the question. So I've got it called Star Wars there, .mp3. I'm trying to load Star Wars .mp3. Oh, look at that. It's the blue dot of not saving. See that? That's what my error was. So I'm going to hit save, Command S. Now it's going to work fine. Jeez. A little debugging there for you guys, a little live debugging. It's not going to stop playing because I don't have a stop command. So if you guys look in the P5JS, oh, let's just look in P5JS for sound commands. P5JS sound. Let's see what sound commands we have here. So there is, in the reference, here is the P5JS sound library. Okay, look at all the stuff, look at all the commands that you can use with sound. There's oscillators, there's envelope, sound file, there's panners, there's delays, all of this stuff. Okay, I've been telling you guys that we can also get audio in and we can act upon it. So there's all kinds of stuff that we can do using P5 sound. But right now, look at what we've used so far. We've used, in the P5 sound file area here, we've used play. So this is going to be song.play, whatever your song has been loaded into .play. Okay, but let's see what else there is. There is load sound. We used that. There's also a way to find out if it's playing and if it's paused. There's a song.stop, and there's a look. You can find out how long the song, what the song's duration is. So there's all this different stuff. So in the class, I'm going to have you guys do something, because watch this. Here's the problem. Okay, let's say I want to play the song in my draw loop. Okay, because I want something to happen. I want a different song to play, maybe something like that. So what happens if I stick it in the draw loop? I'll just save that, and then let's see what happens. So where am I? Where's my, ooh, did I kill off my Atom Live server? I may have, so I'll have to start it again. Atom Live server, no, it's somewhere. Okay, start it again. Okay, let's hear what that sounds like when I have the play command in the draw loop. I'll tell you right now, it's not going to be a happy thing. This is like the people styles. So that's terrible. God, I'm going to turn that off. What happened? What changed? Why is it not working? We had this before in the setup, and we had it happen in the setup, and we know that that runs once, so it only hit that play command once. So one other thing, let's put something to stop the song when we click the mouse. So function mouse released, we always use, right? And remember from when I was looking at the sound commands, there was a song.stop. Let's just have that happen. So we'll do song1.stop when the mouse gets released. So let's see. I shouldn't have to restart that Atom Live server. I think it's still going on. Maybe I can't get to it. Okay, so Atom Live server is somewhere on here, right? It's 127.0.0.1, and it's coming on my 3000 port. Just bear with me here. Week4sound, and let's see if that works. So there's this. Remember, we have the play command in the setup again. And if we click mouse release, it should stop. Yay! How do I start it again? Oh, I'll probably have to put song 1 play in somewhere in here. I'll let you guys figure that out, either in class or on your own. Okay, we'll probably do this on Thursday in class. Have fun.